So we've been flying the Green Island Landfill with our DJI P4 RTK drone since July last year. We did one and we've done three subsequent 1 month apart surveys, and we are looking at this kind of data. We've been flying it at 400 feet above ground level, nice high altitude. The resolution of the models that we've been getting have been repeatedly in the better than 5.5 centimeter Z or height scale. And the kind of detail that we're getting in order to do a topographical volumetric analysis of the progressive changes in the landfill have been more than enough resolution for us to deal quite confidently with looking at the residual airspace that is left to be filled by waste as we progress through the remaining life of the Green Island landfill. Here I'm looking at a 3D point cloud of the surface available in Pix4D. You can see me moving around. We also have a whole bunch of potential metrics that we can add to the site. We can draw our own features that we want to take metrics of and calculate areas and volumes. At the moment, we're just doing those discrete volumes within the model itself. As well as that, if I briefly switch over to the 2D view of this model, you'll see that we have some other overlays that the BIM platform is allowing us to do. So here we have the ortho image, which is the flat projected vertical image of the ground. We can look at also the elevation above ground. We can mess around with that a little bit. At the moment, that is only showing us everything from I think 5 meters above sea level to 27 meters above sea level. So we keep the information relatively confined to the area of interest. As well as that, we've also done some overlays in GIS software using the topographical data produced by the Pix platform, where we can bring in things such as the residual space available within the landfill. Red is full up to the design consented surface. Blue has, in this particular instance, 14 meters, 13 meters residual airspace vertically left. And of course, we can add contours onto the existing information as well, so that we can see not just a heat map of the space, but we can see the true ground level. And that true ground level is consistent, and it's to datum. I think NZGD 2000, New Zealand Vertical Datum 2016. It's good data. It's excellent to kind of be able to visualize what's going on. And as well as that, of course, what we can do in the BIM platform is we can progressively switch between different surveys and analyze how the things look from a day-to-day basis, not a day-to-day basis, but certainly a month-to-month basis. In terms of time frame, it's taking us about 24 hours to turn around the survey from flying to essentially seeing the kind of final process that you have here, including some of the GIS imported overlays that we have. We're quite impressed that we're managing to get that kind of a turnaround from the Pix4D software and also from the skill sets that we're starting to develop with using it.